In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your accounting data and your customer records talking to each other, which can really streamline your invoicing and reporting. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account with an administrator profile, or at least with permission to install extensions. From your main CRM screen, look towards the top right corner for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a small wrench or gear. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings area. This is where Zoho keeps all of the tools you'll need to customize and extend your CRM. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see a search bar, typically near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Marketplace. As you type, Zoho will start filtering the settings options for you. This is a quick way to jump directly to the section where all integrations and extensions are managed. When you see the Marketplace option appear in the results, click on it. The Marketplace is essentially Zoho's App Store, where you can browse and install integrations that connect Zoho CRM with other tools your business uses. In this case, we're interested in the QuickBooks integration. Inside the Marketplace, look for another search field, usually at the top of the extensions list. Click into that field and type QuickBooks. Give it a second to load, and you should see the QuickBooks extension appear in the results, often with a brief description and the provider name. Click on the QuickBooks extension result to open its detailed page. Here, you'll see more information about what the integration does, supported modules, and any requirements. Take a moment to skim this so you understand how your data will sync between Zoho and QuickBooks. On this page, there will be a button labeled Start Free Trial. Click that to begin the installation and setup process. This will not immediately change any of your data,